Hey guys, welcome back. You've got Daniela here with Adventures in Consciousness coming to you with another little mini tutorial. We did our nails last week, and since then a lot of my new fancy things have come in, including my new nail clips, including some of the brand new nail forms, as you can see, and also some of our brand new nail gels. So today I want to take you through a real quick, also some of these pretties. I want to take you through real quick, and we're just going to do a quick little video montage, fast forward of me doing these fantastic nails and how you can get these beautiful multicolored gels super quick and easy and doing them at home. It's a little self-care with yourself. So, without further ado, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if this video helps you out and everything. Thank you guys for all of your support and your help and your growth. It's been wonderful. It's been great to be back. And without further ado, let's hit the montage.